How do cruise ships contribute to ocean pollution? Have you ever thought about the impact of cruise ships on our oceans? These floating cities are often seen as symbols of luxury, but they come with a hefty environmental price tag. Let's break down how cruise ships contribute to ocean pollution. First, consider the sewage and wastewater. An average cruise ship, carrying about 3,000 passengers and crew, can dump up to 30,000 gallons of sewage into the ocean every single day. This sewage, known as black water, contains human waste and harmful pollutants that can seriously affect marine life. Next, let's talk about air pollution. Cruise ships are significant contributors to air pollution. They emit large amounts of carbon dioxide, sulfur oxides, and particulate matter. To put it into perspective, one cruise ship can produce as much pollution in a day as 1 million cars. This not only harms air quality around the ship but also adds to global climate change. Chemical pollution is another concern. Cruise ships releases various chemical pollutants, including cleaning agents and paints used for maintenance. These substances can contaminate seawater and damage marine ecosystems. Solid waste is also a major issue. Cruise ships generate a lot of solid waste, including plastics, food waste, and other materials that do not break down easily. If not disposed of properly, this waste can lead to marine litter, which poses a threat to marine life. Now, let's look at the people working on these ships. Jobs like waste management officers and environmental compliance specialists play a key role in addressing these environmental hazards. They ensure that waste is handled correctly and that the ships follow environmental regulations to minimize pollution. In other high-risk professions, like logging or deep-sea fishing, environmental awareness is also crucial. However, the scale and variety of pollutants from cruise ships present a unique challenge for pollution mitigation. Even storm chasers, who study extreme weather, may find it interesting how climate change, partly driven by emissions from cruise ships, affects weather patterns. Understanding the environmental impact of cruise ships is vital for those in the industry and anyone concerned about ocean pollution reduction. By being aware of these issues, we can work towards better practices and solutions to protect our oceans for future generations.